Welcome to Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Poul, this is Chef Amy,
Hi.
and this is Chef Alex.
Hi.
We're making some Frappuccinos today. Amy wanted to try out our new Ninja blender. I'm really excited. So Amy had a few suggestions. First she said, well, let's make some liver Frappuccinos.
No, I didn't.
I said, no, we're not going to do that. That's kind of crazy. And then Amy said, well, maybe we'll make an onion one.
No, I didn't.
No, we're not going to do that either. We're going to make a mocha Frappuccino, sugar-free. So, I've got over 4 cups of coffee, which I don't need this much. Oh shit. I'm gonna have to wipe some of this off here in a few minutes. That's alright, we have a mop. Alright, so to this I'm going to add a couple spoonfuls of cocoa powder. Because, well, everybody likes cocoa powder. Especially me.
Yeah, but don't put too much in. Don't want to overwhelm it with that.
No, it's also a big load too. And then I'm going to find some honey. Actually, no, I'm not. I am going to use some stevia. Just, that's all you need for that, right? Stevia is really good, guys. If you don't have it, get it. It's great. So now we need some ice. A lot of ice. So I made ice cubes yesterday because I knew we were going to do this. And that's also one of the tests of this machine because, well, you're not supposed to really make, you can actually make snow with this machine. Now you can be one of those guys and say, oh, I'm going to go out and just buy a big bag of ice. You can do that if you want. Nothing's going to stop you, but honestly, just buy some ice cube trays and make your own ice.
It's a lot cheaper.
No, it's a heck of a lot cheaper. Amy, you excited?
Yeah.
Oh well, missed one. Alright, so now we need to have a little bit of milk to this. Funny story, we had to threaten Alex to wake up if he wanted to get one, so.
Yeah, I hope it's worth it being up this early.
Alright, so we're going to close this down here. And remember, on the Ninja, you got to line arrow with arrow, or this ain't going to close. And the best part about this, you have to lock it. So if somebody's walking down here and, oops, ain't going to happen. It's not going to go anywhere. This is solid, so when we start mixing this, it's not going to go anywhere. So now, of course, we have to plug it in. Now, this is the first time we've used this. Right, Amy?
Yeah.
So, we're about to see that it works. Alright, so first I want to do some ice crushing. How does that look, Amy?
Good. You have to stop it.
It is loud.
Paul's doing all the work here.
All right, so now let's take a quick look and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that looks pretty damn good. Amy, you want to come on over? How's that look?
It looks good.
Now at this point, if this is too thick for you, you can go back out, add a little bit more milk. It'll make it a little bit less, but I don't want to do that. To me, that looks good. What do you think, Amy?
Looks good.
It's all right. So that looks good. The boss has spoken. So, by the way, guys, if you don't treat the wife as the boss, you're gonna get beaten up, or you're gonna get divorced, or she ain't gonna be happy, and you want your wife happy. Don't say no. You know it's true. I was thinking about what flavor to make it, and the whole thing about making it liver or onion was a joke. Amy would probably beat me for that one.
No, I
She wouldn't be happy
you.
at all.
I don't beat you.
It's a joke. Come here.
I don't want to step in that.
Now, with the Ninja with the Ninja blender, when you go to clean this, all Amy's going to do is just fill this much water and put a little dish soap, put it back on here, let it run, and then she can rinse it and clean it. Of course, she's when she puts it in the sink, she's going to take the blades off too, but. I think everybody's going to get at least one cup. Alex will be happy because he'll get his ton of coffee a day. We're just going to have to make sure that we wipe the glass off a little bit before we're done. But so there's our Frappuccino. Amy, let's take a taste.
It's really good.
So please hit that like, share, subscribe button. We appreciate you coming. Check out our www.poulskitchen.com. We're actually just released another cookbook, keto baking friendly. It's gonna be really great. So Alex and Amy are gonna have their Frappuccinos, and you guys have a great day.